Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of hidden treasures as we explore the four most expensive and ultra-rare U.S. coins, including the Susan B. Anthony Silver Dollar, the Sacagawea Gold Dollar, and the Jefferson Nickel with a rare P-Mint mark. Even in dirty or worn condition, these seemingly ordinary coins could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars today. So before you spend that old coin, stick around, because you might just be holding a fortune in your hands. First up, close your eyes for a moment and imagine holding a tiny copper coin that has survived wars, depressions, and more than a century of human history. The 1894 1-cent coin of the United States is not just old metal. It is a silent witness to an era when America was still shaping its identity. This coin belongs to the famous Indian Head Cent series, a design that never actually showed a real Native American, but a symbolic liberty wearing a feather headdress, created to represent strength, unity, and pride. When people talk about unimaginable value and fortunes changing overnight, this is the kind of coin that fuels those dreams, because its story alone already makes it priceless in the eyes of collectors. The year 1894 sits deep in the heart of American coin history. These cents were struck in Philadelphia, and that is important, because during that time the U.S. Mint did not place mint marks on cents made in Philadelphia. So if someone tells you they have an 1894 1-cent coin with a D or S mint mark, that is a red flag. The true 1894 Indian Head Cent has no mint mark at all. This detail alone separates genuine historical treasure from fantasy. Back then, millions were minted, but time has not been kind to most of them. They circulated heavily, passed through countless hands, spent in markets, saloons, and general stores, until only a small fraction survived in strong condition. Now let us talk about condition, because this is where dreams are made or broken. A heavily worn 1894 cent is a beautiful relic, but it is not life-changing. However, when you move into fine, very fine, extremely fine, and especially mint state condition, the story changes dramatically. A sharply detailed coin, with Liberty's hair strands clear, the feathers bold, and the diamond shapes on the ribbon visible, becomes something collectors fight over. In top condition, with original color and minimal marks, these coins can reach thousands of dollars, and in exceptional cases far more. Not millions, not billions, but still powerful money for a 1-cent piece that once bought almost nothing. There's also a lot of confusion and hype around so-called gold sticker or gold round coins. Here is the truth spoken clearly and honestly. The 1894 1-cent coin was made of bronze, not gold. Any gold color, sticker, plating, or coating added later does not increase value. In fact, it usually lowers it. Serious collectors want originality. They want untouched surfaces, natural aging, and honest wear. The real gold in this story is knowledge, because understanding what is authentic protects you from losing money and helps you recognize true value when you see it. Where the 1894 cent becomes truly exciting is in rare varieties and proofs. Proof coins were specially struck for collectors with polished dies and sharper details. An authentic 1894 proof Indian Head Cent is rare and desirable, and in high grade it can sell for very large sums compared to regular circulation coins. Add to this the possibility of subtle errors, such as repunched dates or unusual die characteristics, and suddenly one small cent becomes a detective story, where tiny details matter more than size or shine. Many people online love to say that a single coin can make you a billionaire overnight. That makes a great headline, but reality is different and more interesting. Real fortune comes not from believing myths, but from understanding history, rarity, and condition. The power of the 1894 1-cent coin is not magic. It is legacy. It connects you directly to the 19th century, to a time before cars filled the streets, when electricity was still spreading, and when every coin carried real weight in daily life. If you believe you have an 1894 Indian Head Cent in unusually fine condition, the smartest move is patience. Do not clean it. Do not polish it. Do not rush to sell it to the first buyer who whispers big numbers in your ear. Proper authentication and grading by a respected professional service is the only path to knowing its true market value. Many great coins have been ruined by impatience, while others have quietly grown in value because their owners respected their history. In the end, The 1894 1-cent coin teaches a powerful lesson. Not every old coin is worth millions, but every genuine historic coin carries a story that no modern money can match. Its real power is not in fantasy numbers, but in rarity, survival, and truth. If you own one, you're not just holding a cent. You are holding a fragment of American history, and that alone is something no amount of hype can replace.